The scrapbook bug has bit me, you guys. I've been wanting to do this, and since scrapbook TikTok has been all over my feed, I finally committed this is what I'm doing. I picked up my first scrapbook and some starter supplies from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna do a quick haul and show you everything that I got. We're starting off strong with our scrapbook. I did the 12 by 12. I've seen people say that the 8.5 by 11 ends up being too small, then they switch to this. So I'm starting with this with the photo frame in the front, and then it did come with 10 sheet protectors in it as well. I got a lot of craft paper. I got this storage little memory keeper for 99 cents from Hobby Lobby as well. Then a bunch of stickers and patches. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you those. I'm just gonna do like a quick little display of what I got.